Reliable and efficient networking infrastructure is crucial for implementing smart technology, machine-to-machine communication, and IoT devices. This requires a fast, stable, and secure network. Innovative private 5G networks meet all your network needs. Why private 5G network? It guarantees effortless maintenance, resilient deployment, and adaptability to various scenarios. The networks are superior with enhanced reliability, secure infrastructure, and less wireless interference. It enables high speed and low latency for seamless connectivity. D-Link's private 5G solution includes 5G Core, O-RAN, small cell, 5G UE, backhaul switches, and management for comprehensive network requirements. D-Link 5G Core. They are tailored for private networks to maximize efficiency and connectivity. D-Link, O-RAN, and small cell. O-RAN enhances enterprise network coverage and security. Deploy small cells to address crowded areas with limitless scalability. D-Link 5G UE. Versatile 5G UE products support diverse networks and interfaces for industrial connectivity in various scenarios. D-Link backhaul switch, broad core-to-edge switch range, designed for seamless integration and optimal network performance. D-Link management, DEX platform for streamlined on-premise network management and operational excellence. D-Link's private 5G solution boosts automation, efficiency, and quality control in manufacturing, business, and education. It will enhance the commercial delivery, IoT connectivity, and fortified security. D-Link private 5G network provides you with 3 benefits. Full end-to-end private 5G provides a dedicated network infrastructure covering all data transmission stages. Scalability is crucial for organizations to seamlessly adapt to evolving demands and avoid emerging possibilities in IoT and Industry 4.0 growth. D-Link offers global support with consistent quality at an affordable cost regardless of location. Ready for Industry 4.0 with a private 5G solution. Build your wireless network with D-Link Private 5G.
D-Link, one connection, infinite possibilities.